In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a square in Google Docs. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to visually organize your information, create flowcharts, or just add a distinctive touch to your document. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's as simple and clear as possible. Let's begin by navigating to your Google Docs and opening the document where you'd like to insert a square. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is go to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see various options, but you want to click on the one labeled Insert. This option opens a drop-down menu that contains multiple features that you can add to your document, like images, tables, and in our case, drawings. Next, you'll want to guide your mouse over to where it says Drawing, which you'll notice further down in the menu. Hovering over this will bring up another menu where you'll select New. Clicking on New will open a drawing canvas or window that occupies an ample part of your screen. This is where we'll actually create the square. In the drawing window, direct your attention to the top of the canvas. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a combination of a circle and a square. This is the Shapes icon. Click on this icon and a submenu will appear, revealing various shape options. We're interested in the Shapes category. From this menu, select the Square option. With the square shape selected, move your cursor back to the drawing canvas. Click and hold the mouse button. As you drag across the canvas, you'll see the square begin to form. A handy tip is to hold down the Shift key while dragging. Doing so ensures that the square remains perfectly proportioned, maintaining equal sides as you adjust its size. Once you're satisfied with the size and shape of your square, you can further customize it. Take some time to explore the formatting options at the top of the drawing window. You can adjust the fill color of your square, change the border color, and modify the thickness of the border line, also known as the border weight. This allows you to tailor the look of your square to match the aesthetic of your document. Finally, when your square looks just the way you want it, head over to the top right corner of the drawing window and click on Save and Close. This action will insert the square as an image right into your document, making it a seamless part of your content. And there you have it. Now you know how to insert a square into your Google Docs document with ease. This skill enhances your ability to organize and illustrate information effectively. Thanks for tuning in and happy document designing.